Why does it take exactly 3 seconds to find a YouTube video from 10 years ago, but 10 minutes to find a tax document you downloaded on your phone just yesterday? If you are like 99% of the Android users, your phone is a digital dumping ground. You downloaded a menu from a restaurant, a PDF from your boss, a screenshot of your receipt, a flight ticket. It all goes into a giant bottomless pit called the downloads folder. And for a while, you ignore it. But then the taxation hits, or you are standing at an airport gate and you need a specific document. Suddenly, you are fanatically scrolling through hundreds of files named like this. Most people think this is a minor annoyance, but in productivity psychology, this is a massive problem. It creates something called cognitive friction, a mental drag on your brain. Every time you have to rely on your memory to hunt down a file, you are burning through the finite supply of dopamine and energy needed to actually do your work. It breaks your flow state. And studies show your brain takes approximately 23 minutes to refocus after a frustrating distraction like this. You shouldn't be using your brain as a filing cabinet. Your phone is supposed to be smart. Then why is its memory worse than yours? The problem with the default Android file managers is that they rely on the oldest, most outdated system intake, the file name. If you don't remember exactly what you named a file 3 months ago, then it is essentially gone. But what if you could search in your phone the same way you talk to a friend? This is Filex AI, and it completely changes how your phone handles the data. It doesn't just look at the titles of your file. It actually reads, understands the words, context, and images inside them. If I open the app and type, show me the PDF from a doctor, it pops up instantly. I do not need to know the file name. I can type, find me the Amazon invoice for my microphone, or show me the flight tickets from last December. The results are instantaneous. It acts as an AI photographic memory for your entire device. It is completely free to download on Play Store and takes only 30 seconds to set up. But here is where it gets really interesting. Finding one file is great, but what about the other 1,000 files currently sitting in your phone storage? You probably do not have the time to sit there and drag them into neat little folders. Filex AI has an auto-organization engine that handles the mess for you. It connects directly with your Google Drive, so your cloud storage is instantly synced and searchable. But my favorite feature is the custom instructions. You can literally tell the app, group my all travel documents together, or separate my work invoice from my personal receipt. It instantly builds the folder structure and routes the file where they belong. You can even use the native Android share sheet. If you were browsing the web and downloaded a PDF, just hit share to Filex and the AI reads it and files it in the correct category in the background. You never have to look at a messy download folder ever again. If you think that's wild, then wait until I show you how it handles people and companies. Filex AI does something called entity extraction. That's a fancy tech term that basically means it organizes who your files belong to. Inside the app, you will see cards of different entities. If I click on SBI or Apple, the app pulls up every single bank statement, order confirmation, screenshots, and receipts I have ever received from them. You don't need to remember what the file is called. You just need to remember who it was from. It completely maps out the relationship between your documents. But watch this. This is the feature that made this the most important app on my phone. You don't even need a digital file to start. Let's say you have a physical electricity bill sitting on your desk. Normally you could take a picture and it goes to your gallery and you never find it again. Instead, I open Filex AI and scan the paper. The AI reads the physical document, auto-detects the title and understands the context, and file it away. A piece of paper on my desk is now a fully searchable digital asset in just 3 seconds. And they are rolling out an update that will literally detect upcoming due dates from these documents and alert you. Android give you incredible hardware. It's time letting AI do the heavy lifting for you. You protect your attention by eliminating cognitive friction. Go and download Filex AI from the description right now.